Guys, welcome back with yet another video on Tricky Horti Today we are going to discuss 2018 ICAR JRF Horticulture question paper. I have divided it in two parts. In this video we are going to discuss the first part. Let's begin, guys. First question of 2018 question paper is black pot is disease of. Options are areca nut, coconut, chestnut and cocoa. Answer of this question is cocoa. Black pot is a disease of cocoa which is caused by the Phytophthora palmivora fungus, and this disease is also known as the canker disease of cocoa. Move on to next question. Edible portion of turnip is. Options are hypocotyl, root, tuber and stem. Edible portion of turnip is hypocotyl. Hypocotyl is swollen hypocotyl is correct, which is modified root. Next question is an example of Mars flower. Options are snapdragon, liatris, rose and larkspur. So example of Mars flower is rose. In flower arrangement, mostly line flower, mass flower and filler flowers are important. So answer of this question is rose. Other mass flower examples are carnation, gerbera, lily and tulip. And example of the line flower is gladiolus, tuberose, liatris, snapdragon, which are in options, but these are line flowers. And filler flowers are, it means the stem with lot of little flower. Example of filler flowers are baby's breath, queen anne's lay, statice and eucalyptus and aster. So example of mass flower is rose, and other than rose are lily, tulip, carnation, gerbera, all are mass flowers. Next question is clinching is related to. Options are freezing, drying, canning and fermentation. Answer of this question is clinching is related to canning. Clinching means interlock between two seeds, which is related to canning. Next question is in which Indian state rice is grown below sea level? Options are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. Answer of this question is Kerala. This question has also been asked in 2016 JRF question paper. Next question is chilling sensitive apples are stored at. Options are -1 to 0 degrees centigrade, 3 to 5 degrees centigrade, 8 to 10 degrees centigrade and above than 10 degrees centigrade. So chilling sensitive apples are stored at 3 to 5 degrees centigrade. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is which one of the following is the best criterion for determining the maturity of Kinnu? Options are TSS or acid ratio, peel color, acidity and sugar content. So TSS or acid ratio is the best criterion for the determining the maturity of Kinnu. Next question is which crop has polyembryonic nature? Options are pomegranate, jamun, karanda and dragon fruit. Answer of this question is jamun. Polyembryonic nature, the production of two or more than two embryos from a single seed is termed as the polyembryony. In plants, this phenomenon is caused either due to the fertilization of one or more than one embryonic sac or due to the origination of embryos outside of the embryonic sac. Other than jamun, mango and citrus having the polyembryonic nature. Next question is the process of separation of coarse and rough rice into grain and chaff is called as. Options are hulling, harvesting, threshing and processing. So answer of this question is threshing. Threshing means the removal of grain from the husk or chaff. Next question is, which is the oldest garden of Southeast Asia? Options are Indian Botanic Garden, Lal Bagh Garden, Lloyd's Botanic Garden and Vrindavan Garden. First we talk about all the mentioned points. First one is Indian Botanic Garden. Establishment of Indian Botanic Garden in 1786 to 87. Next one is Lal Bagh Garden. Construction of Lal Bagh Garden started at 1760 by Hyder Ali, and then in 1889 the famous glass house was built in this garden. Third one is Lloyd's Botanic Garden, which was established in year 1878, and the fourth one, Vrindavan Garden, is established in 1927 to 1932. So answer of this question is option second, Lal Bagh Garden, which was started at 1760 by Hyder Ali. Next question is, which is not the principle of landscaping? Options are rhythm, unity, balance and line. Answer of this question is line. Elements of landscaping are color, line, form and texture. So question asked is principle of landscaping. So rhythm, unity and balance are principles, but line is element. Next question is, Alimo is the rootstock of. Options are plum, fig, sapota and citrus. Answer of this question is citrus. Other than Alimo, the Shekhawasa and Volca Moriana and the Sahasarkar are the important rootstock of citrus. So Alimo is the rootstock of citrus, and other than Alimo, the Shekhawasa, Volca Moriana and the Sahasarkar is the most important rootstock of citrus. This Alimo belongs to the citrus Mycophyllaceae. Next question is, which one is considered as ideal harvesting index for walnut? Options are cracking of fruit peel, brown color of peel, oil content, and option D is both A and B. Answer of this question is both A and B. Other than this, PTB is also harvesting stage of walnut, which means packing tissue turn brown. Next question is, which of the following is an example of multiple fruit? Your options are tree tomato, pomegranate, pineapple and strawberry. So answer of this question is option number C, pineapple. Pineapple is the example of multiple fruit. Next question is, which of the following does not belong to the Rosaceae family? Options are nectarine, strawberry, walnut and quince. So answer of this question is walnut. Walnut belongs to the family Juculindaceae, and other than walnut, the nectarine, strawberry and quince belongs to the Rosaceae family. Next question is, which one is the most important biochemical changes occurring during the maturation and ripening of papaya? Answer of options are substantial increase in sugar, sharp increase in vitamins, decline in pectin and increase in papain. So answer of this question is option number first, substantial increase in sugar. Next question is, which fruit does not follow the typical respiration pattern of either climacteric or non-climacteric fruits? Options are raspberries, blueberries, kiwi fruit and cranberries. So answer of this question is kiwi fruit. Next question is, sporophytic system of self-incompatibility is found in. Options are cabbage, cucumber, tomato and onion. So answer of this question is cabbage. In cold crops, the sporophytic self-incompatibility exists, wherein the incompatibility reaction is governed by the genotype of the pollen producing plant, and it is controlled by a series of alleles at a single locus S. Other than vegetable, in fruits, mango, Aonla, and cocoa, sporophytic self-incompatibility is found. Next question is, which fruit is richest source of vitamin B6? The options are walnut, banana, apple, and blueberries. Answer of this question is walnut, which is the richest source of vitamin B6. Next question is, which is the progenitor of watermelon? The options are C. edulis, C. vulgaris, C. colonthis, and C. citriotes. So progenitor of watermelon is C. colonthis. Next question is, the first example for the use of bioagent for controlling the post-harvest disease is. Options are Candida oleophila, Pseudomonas syringae, Bacillus subtilis, and Trichoderma harzianum. Answer of this question is Bacillus subtilis, which is the first example for the use of bioagent for controlling the post-harvest diseases. Next question is, the art of training into different shape is known as. Options are training and pruning, topiary, bonsai, and shrubby. So art of training into different shape is known as topiary. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is, for Jejibus propagation, which is the rootstock used? Options are Jejibus morantiana, Jejibus rotundifolia, Jejibus pneumolaria, and Jejibus rugosa. So for Jejibus propagation, the Jejibus pneumolaria, option C, is the rootstock used. It is a deep-rooted and salt-tolerant and most commercially used rootstock. Next question is, all the plums have a basic chromosome number. Options are 8, 12, 22, 33. So plum have a basic chromosome number is 8. Next question is, protandry is a problem in. Options are walnut, grape, papaya, banana. Protandry is a problem in walnut. Other than walnut, coconut, enola, and sapota, in which protandry condition is found. Next question is, self-incompatibility leads to cross-pollination in. Options are cucumber, carrot, cauliflower, okra. Answer of this question is cauliflower. All the cole crops are self-incompatible, so right answer is C, cauliflower. Next question is, heterostyle is found in. Options are French bean, brinjal, chili, tomato. Heterostyle is found in brinjal. Heterostyle is the condition of flowering plants in which the flowers of the same species have styles of different lengths, so that the stigma is positioned below the anthers in some flowers and above them in others. Heterostyle is found in brinjal. This one is important question. Next question is, the commercial method of clonal propagation of orchid is. Options are air layering, cutting, grafting, and micropropagation. So commercial method of clonal propagation of orchid is micropropagation, because the orchid is a monocotyledon but non-endospermic. Next question is, the condition where a flower cannot be fertilized by the pollen of same is called dichogamy, homogamy, unisexual, and self-incompatibility. So this condition is known as self-incompatibility. Next question is, which of the following is most suitable for hanging basket? Options are Portulaca, Cosmos, Rudbeckia, and rubber plant. Answer of this question is Portulaca. This one is most important question and also asked in previous year JRF question paper. Next question is, the polyploidy can be induced by. Options are colchicine, nitrous acid, methyl methane sulfonate, and EMS. So polyploidy can be induced by the colchicine. Polyploidy is a condition in which the cells of organism have more than two paired sets of chromosome. Colchicine is a toxic chemical that is often used to induce the polyploidy in plants. Basically, the colchicine prevents the microtubules formation during the cell division. Thus the chromosomes do not pull apart like they normally do. Next question is, in honeybee the pollen basket is present in, options are forelegs, hind legs, both the legs, and in between fore and hind leg. So answer of this question is option B, hind leg. Honeybee the pollen basket is present in hind leg. Next question is, hyperbaric storage means, options are low temperature storage, high temperature storage, high pressure storage, and low pressure storage. Answer of this question is hyperbaric storage means low pressure storage. Let's discuss this point. The hyperbaric storage is divided in three parts, mostly used for cut flowers and storage in low temperature. The next one is controlled atmospheric storage, which means low oxygen and high carbon dioxide maintained in the tight chamber. And the third one is modified atmospheric storage in 90 to 95% relative humidity, and used absorbent like oxygen absorbent is iron oxide, and carbon dioxide absorbent is hydrated lime, and in ethylene absorbent mostly used silica gel. This one is important point, that ethylene absorbent is used in silica gel. Next question is, a plant breeder wants to develop a discus resistant variety. What he should do first? Options are hybridization, mutation, selection, and mass selection. Answer of this question is selection. If the question is asked only a plant breeder want to develop a disease resistant variety, so answer should be hybridization, but he added what he should do first. So after full stop, what he should do first, so right answer is selection. Next question is, Chinese gooseberry is popularly known as, options are Eunla, kiwi fruit, karonda, and carambola. Answer of this question is kiwi fruit. Chinese gooseberry is popularly known as kiwi fruit, and Indian gooseberry is Eunla. Next question is, although a deficiency of any one of the element listed may result in chlorosis, only one of these elements is found in chlorophyll. Which is it? Chlorine, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Answer of this, magnesium. Next question is, which post-harvest pathogen never infest citrus? This one is most important question, guys. So options are Penicillium expansum, Penicillium digitatum, and Penicillium italicum, and Zeotrichum candidum. So answer of this question is Penicillium expansum. Which post-harvest pathogen never infects citrus? Other than Penicillium expansum, the Penicillium digitatum caused green mold in citrus, Penicillium italicum caused blue mold in citrus, and Geotrichum candidum caused sour rot in citrus. All these are post-harvest diseases. Next question is, cherry blossom is a popular variety of, options are rose, bougainvillea, gladiolus, and carnation. So cherry blossom is a popular variety of bougainvillea. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is, wind velocity is measured in knot, and 1 knot is equal to, options are 0.58 km per hour, 1.85 km per hour, 0.54 km per hour, and 2 km per hour. So wind velocity is measured in knot, and 1 knot is equal to 1.85 km per hour. Next question is, which of the following is a beverage crop? Options are tea, cashew, areca nut, and black pepper. Tea is the correct answer. Easy question. Next question is, which is monospecific genus? Options are citrus, Eremocitrus, Microcitrus, and Clymenia. So Clymenia is the correct answer, which is monospecific genus. Other than Clymenia, botanical name is Citrus polyandra, and other one is the Poncirus. Which one is Poncirus trifoliata, which is a monospecific genus. Next one is, which is sodium excluder rootstock of citrus? Options are C35, trifoliate orange, Chinato, and Eremo citrus. Answer of this question is trifoliate orange. Trifoliate orange is sodium excluder rootstock of citrus. Other than sodium excluder, chloride excluder is Cleoptera mandarin, and this Chinato is a thornless species of citrus. Next question is, most important grain crop in the world is wheat. Wheat is the correct answer. Next question is, the CI map is located at, options are Lucknow UP, Pantnagar UK, IRI New Delhi, Anand Gujarat. So CI map is located at Lucknow UP, Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, situated in Lucknow UP. Next question is, capacity of soil that resists sudden change in pH of the soil is called. Options are buffer capacity, cation exchange capacity, anion exchange capacity, and biological oxygen. Answer of this question is buffer capacity. Next question is, the organic group that are permanently bound to the enzyme is called prosthetic group, activator, coenzyme, and coactivator. So answer of this question is prosthetic group. Organic group that are permanently bound in the enzyme is prosthetic group. Next question is, a process where a single cell divides into identical daughter cells is known as meiosis, mitosis, cytokinesis, and polyploidization. So the process where a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells is known as mitosis. Next question is, stomata pore open when the water from surrounding cells enter into guard cells. Option B, water from guard cells goes to surrounding cells. Option C, the plants are in bulk. And the fourth option is, no movement of water occurs between the guard cells and surrounding cells. So stomata pore open when the water from surrounding cells enter into guard cells. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is, diversity is quite high in organisms which are produced through. Options are asexual reproduction, budding, binary fusion, and sexual reproduction. So diversity is quite high in organisms which are produced through the sexual reproduction. Next question is, the method of lye peeling is through. Options are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, caustic soda, and peelers. Answer of this question is caustic soda. The method of lye peeling is through caustic soda. 1 to 2% concentration in hot water at approximately 50 degrees centigrade. Mostly peach, apricot, and sweet potato is used lye peeling. Next question is, sauerkraut is a product prepared by freezing, dehydration, fermentation, and canning. So sauerkraut is a fermented product. So fermentation is correct answer, option C. Sauerkraut is a fermented product of white cabbage, and mostly lactic acid fermentation takes place, and 1.5 lactic acid is present in sauerkraut. Next question is, the minimum total soluble solids contained in jam should be as per FPO specification is 620B, 620B, 780B, 680B. Answer of this question is 680B. Next question is, the mango tibbun is due to the toxicity of. Options are iron, sulfur dioxide, copper, and boron. Answer of this question is boron. Mango tibbun is due to the toxicity of boron. Other than boron toxicity, excess of salt also caused tibbun in mango. Other than tip 1, the leaf scorching is also a physiological disorder of mango, which is due to the chloride toxicity. Next question. This one is last question of today. Next question is, which of the following element is common to all proteins and nucleic acid? Options are sulfur, magnesium, nitrogen, phosphorus. So nitrogen element is common to all proteins and nucleic acid. So guys, that's all for today. I'll be uploading the next video soon that will cover the part 2nd and remaining question of this question paper. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section. If you have any query, you can ask regarding any point also. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching, guys.